Okay, good morning, guys. All right, this is how this came out for the covered up everything so it wouldn't get cold. I'm gonna show you the video completely. All right, take a look. That's how it came out. That way my lettuce wouldn't freeze. So this one I didn't have enough of that fabric, the anti-frost fabric. So I just had to do, I only had enough to put inside these lettuces. The rest of them, no. I had enough for that whole bed, but not enough for this bed. So I had to, whatever left I have over, I had to put it. Okay, so now comes the part of taking it off. Cut inside and the outside. I didn't have enough for my tomatoes. But oh well, they survived. Had enough for my wife's succulent. Covered up everything on hers. You see, we covered that one up nice. Alright, see you. Alright, so here we're taking this part off again on the second bed. We're not going to be in danger of the cold no more. So it's time to take it off. That's the only part that haven't been farmed. I get all your plants ready for the cold. And then once you're done, you got to take it off. Also, my plan was on taking this off. I'm not putting them back on until the weather says it's gonna be a freezing. Cause I mean, that's when I put that. Cause that's too much work. It hit 17 over here where we're at. Like wow, it's pretty cool. Where I used to stay in Miami, I never got up to 17. Big dog. Most was 30 something. And if it was cold, probably for a couple of days. Where I'm at, you got most of the times you're gonna be in the 70s, down to the 30s at nights. So yeah, so but I'm gonna go take that off and then water them. That's the next step on this. All right.